Hello everyone. I am astrologer and Baksh. Welcome to your favorite astrology channel, Sitaraka Safar. Today we will be discussing a very important planetary event that will take place on December 29, 2024. Venus and Saturn will conjunct in your 12th house, Aquarius. At the same time, Rahu's presence in your first house, Pisces, can have significant effects on you. The 12th house represents expenses, spirituality, and isolation. This transit might be challenging for Pisces natives, especially in finances and health related areas. Let's take a look at how these planetary movements will affect your life. Venus, the planet of luxury, beauty, and comfort, has different effects when placed in the 12th house. Your expenses may significantly increase during this time, especially on unnecessary luxuries and pleasures. Proper financial planning will be crucial. If you're involved in spiritual or healing practices, this period could be beneficial. Meditation and introspection will be favorable during this time. Hidden affairs or secretive relationships might emerge, but could lead to complications later. Stay aware and avoid anything that could harm your relationships in the long run. Saturn, the planet of structure and discipline, will bring a more grounded energy to the 12th house. This period could lead to emotional and physical isolation. Use this time wisely for self reflection and inner growth. Saturn can activate chronic health issues such as stress related problems or fatigue. It is important to strengthen your health regimen. Saturn is great for financial restructuring and long term investments. However, do keep in mind the potential for short term losses. Rahu's presence in your first house of self personality may cause some turbulence in your focus and decision making abilities. Rahu might push you to take shortcuts or set unrealistic expectations. It is important to remain grounded and take a more practical approach to your goals. You may experience self doubt and unclear goals, leading to potential delays. Seek advice from trustworthy people to navigate through this phase. Monitor your expenses closely and avoid unnecessary purchases. Stick to a realistic budget. Pay attention to stress, insomnia, and mental health issues. Prioritize a healthy diet and regular exercise. Engaging in spiritual practices or creative hobbies will provide you with peace and focus. Avoid hidden affairs and focus on building trust in existing relationships. Let us now discuss how you can maximize the benefits of this transit. Create a realistic budget and avoid impulsive spending. Financial discipline will help you avoid unnecessary losses. Incorporate meditation and stress management techniques to improve your overall well being. Saturn will help bring structure to your routine. Make the most of this time to work towards your long term goals. Do not let Rahu's illusions affect your decision making. Approach challenges logically and with patience. So, this was a detailed analysis of the Venus and Saturn conjunction for Pisces natives. While this time may be challenging, it also presents a golden opportunity for spiritual growth and self discipline. Be mindful of your expenses, health, and relationships, and take a patient and steady approach to everything. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to Sitaraka Safar, like, and share it. And don't forget to leave your feedback and questions in the comments below. For a detailed birth chart analysis, contact us on WhatsApp. Take good care of yourselves and we'll meet in the next video. Stay on your journey with Sitaraka Safar.